What is your take on the Asian MRO recovery? What are you seeing here?
We're really optimistic for a steady recovery in 2023. The kind of recovery we saw in North America and in Europe, I think we're still awaiting that strong, steady recovery in Asia, and it's partly caused by some of the COVID restrictions that are still in place. So we are very optimistic that it's all going to be uh, upward trending in 2023. Nevertheless, we believe there are risks that we need to manage, including the supply chain challenges, labor challenges, and inflationary challenges.
Well, your company has done some interesting things to manage this supply chain very proactively. Can you tell us about some of them?
Well, we were compelled to work very closely with our vendors, with our logistics service providers to ensure that the supply chain is uninterrupted, even though the cost of logistics is up, even though raw material prices are up. Some of the more interesting things we did included acquiring a vendor that was going to go under, and we also had to come up with cash to pay upfront for raw materials on behalf of our vendors. I think it shows how challenging the industry is today, but we are committed to ensure that what we committed to our customers, we will deliver.
And SD Engineering has some cool digital innovations going on. Can you give us any updates on the data analytics portion? That's been kind of ramping up lately, hasn't it?
Yes, we believe in the future of data supporting MRO and keeping equipment on wing longer. What we've done is working with industry, working with our internal folks to roll out digital solutions that we can bring to mobile apps for our customers. We hope to sign on more customers to our data analytics solutions and improve the product and solution offering for our customers.
So yesterday at the conference, we were talking about some geopolitical issues, and one of the elements was China. Most people think that China needs to open up for the Asia market to fully recover. Do you agree?
Yes, absolutely. Because there was so much pre-COVID air traffic between China and the rest of Asia, and of course within China, and of course between China and the rest of the world. If China doesn't remove its COVID restrictions, Asia would have a hard time to fully recover to pre-COVID levels. But we're optimistic that the trend is positive. We see the opportunity for the removal of more restrictions in the coming months, and we believe that there's only upside going forward, despite some of the risks around supply chain, labor supply, and inflation.
Well, it must be tricky just to balance all these things and ramp up to incorporate new aircraft and engine technologies into your business. So how do you balance all that?
Well, we never stopped moving during COVID. We felt that COVID was a time for us to consolidate and to introduce new capabilities, introduce new capacity. So we were continuing to build hangars all through the COVID period, introducing new airframe engine capabilities. We think that any crisis we see, as we've seen in the past aviation crisis, that it's all temporary. So, and true to what we believe, if you look at the ramp up today, the key challenges we are facing is actually insufficient labor supply, insufficient skilled people, insufficient capacity. So, we believe the trending is extremely positive.